And then recently, I've been looking into getting like a new keyboard. And I'm trying to decide between an XDA keycap and then what was it? KAT? Yeah, which one's more comfortable for typing? Because I saw that KAT is more comfortable for typing. It's more for like it's like a good in between, and then there's XDA that's also good for playing games, but not necessarily for typing. I'm just trying to figure that out too. I have no idea the difference between. Well, so I am suddenly a big expert. Yeah, the Cherry profile, I heard that it was good for typing. There's less hand like typing fatigue because the accentuation, the travel is not that much. And then I do have like I'm thinking about like I don't know, maybe some different switches too, like something more quiet. Actuation, whatever. I do like how the aesthetics are for the XDA, but I don't know. But then KAT looks pretty good too. But I don't know. I'm thinking. I really want to get something like, oh, what if I can get like keycaps for merch? That would be cool. And they said no. I was like, okay, whatever, that's fine too. A lot of ideas that I have, they get tossed out. And I'm like, okay, that's fine. You know what? I'll just like think of something else. Yeah, but it's whatever. Yeah, so where do I begin? So regarding the outfit, I wanted it to be like you know, as you can see, a goddess theme, and kind of like an origin story. At the very end of the live, it said, oh, this is not canon, but to me it was canon. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, okay. I mean, it's official to me, but okay, whatever's convenient, that's fine. I mean, okay, I guess it's fan canon, even though it's canon to me. But you know, take it as you will. It's canon to me, guys, okay?